Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Naika if you're new here, and if you're coming back, welcome back to the channel. I mean, it's been a while, but that's not the point. That's not what we're here for. So today I'm gonna help you achieve the Pinterest aesthetic little claw clip hairstyle on, natural hair. And for this, you're gonna need a lot of water. Now, this only works on my hair. I don't know if it's gonna work on yours. Like, if you have a different hair type, if your hair doesn't do well with water or something, all of those might be inconveniences that might get in the way. But basically, just get your hair as damp as possible so it can be easier to manage. My hair is somewhat damp, not all the way, but somewhat. I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, and this is what I'm gonna use to just moisturize the hair. Alright, so for this, we're gonna do a middle part. Now for this, you can either go simple and just do the claw clip, or you can do the claw clip look with the two bangs. I'm personally gonna do the two bangs because I feel like that just adds a little bit of flavor to the hairstyle. You don't have to, but I'm gonna do it. So after you're done making your little part in the front, if you decide to do that, all you're gonna do now is just brush your hair backwards. If you need to get more water to add to it, totally now would be the time to just go ahead and add that to there. So water. You mainly want to target, I would say, like the body and the roots, then just the ends. Okay, I'm gonna add some more leave-in. Okay, and then now I'm gonna go with my coconut oil formula moisture hair dressing thing. Any pomades, like you can go with Vaseline, I would say, or like Blue Magic. Any pomades like those will work wonders for this hairstyle because they're gonna help, kind of get it as, I don't know what the word I'm looking for is, but it's gonna help you get it as slick as possible. So just add some of these and it's gonna make it look so shiny and pretty. And who doesn't love a shiny and pretty hair? Just get one hair tie. Okay, I can't make another round, it's fine. Just sleek low bun, and then you're just gonna take this, twist it, and put it up. Get your little claw clip or whatever you're using, and oh my god, and just clip it. Okay, I hope you saw that. If you did it, I'm so sorry, but I'll show you again, so don't worry. And now for the front portion, you can add your little edges to make it nice and cute. I'm gonna go in with my edge booster. Booyah. Get my edges brush. Where did it go? There it is. Okay, get my edges brush, and I really am one of those people that prefer to keep my edges simple, but I really feel like with a hairstyle like this, especially if you don't leave the little bangs in the front, going like a little slightly more dramatic, like doing the little circles with the edges would be really cute, because you know it's kind of like a slick back look, and then the edges just add a little spice and flavor to it. I don't know why I didn't just leave that little front section in the way I put it before, because like I'm not even using it right now. That was so pointless. Who did that? Who did that? I just want to talk. Then you can just pull a little section right here, and then just do a quick little bangs. I said bangs. A little, I don't know, a little curl. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this, which is the clear ice gel. That's what I usually use for my little flyaways, or when I'm doing anything like slick that needs gel. That's what I use. I thought it would be cute with the edge booster, but apparently that was not the case, which is fine. But yeah. Okay, so now find your part. You're gonna take this one, and the one I just showed you, the clear ice gel, like I said, that's what I use. I'm gonna use that for my edges, and I'm also gonna use my curling custard, which is this. If you have like a curling custard of any kind, I feel like you can just use that. You don't necessarily even need to use gel, because it will get the job done. So here's the curling custard. This is just the curling custard, and this is like what it does to my hair. So you just twist it. Like, tell me I did not just do you justice. I feel like this hairstyle is so cute and so elegant, and it's just like bad girl things, man. Like, who would just see this hairstyle and not immediately just be in love? Like, because I'm in love. Are you in love? I am in love. Okay. And also, I forgot to mention, if your hair is longer than mine, when it comes to the claw clip, you can just kind of fold the top right here, just fold it to, you know, fit into the claw clip, which is probably going to be harder on you, but I'm just going to let you know ahead of time just in case if that happens. Or you know what, don't even tuck it in, just let it hang, let the little curls just hang, because I think that's also very cute. Like, it has this little messy yet organized feel to it. Yeah. And basically you can leave it the front like this, which makes it look a bit more organized and well put together. Or after this, you can go ahead and split the curls, which is just gonna make more of a like somewhat messy look, and it's gonna look kind of like this. Look at me putting you onto game today. I'm putting you onto game. See? And if you want to add the gel for an extra hold, totally go for it. It will probably shrink your hair a little bit more, but definitely have that extra oomph you're looking for. Okay, peeps, this is my hair after I gave my bangs a little bit of time to dry and get everything just looking right. So this is gonna be the final result for today. Today's hairstyle, and the back is a little puffy, I will say, and that may be due to just like the fact that I didn't get it wet enough. And also, if your hair is detangled for this, I definitely feel like it will make a much better improvement. Like a wet detangled hair is gonna make it look even better, but I didn't feel like it. So I will try to link, I mean, all the products I've used I just get from the beauty supply store, but I will have the name and the descriptions for you so you can find them, and possibly the link, depending on, we'll just see. But thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day, great afternoon. Don't forget to check out my other videos, like, comment, subscribe, share, and leave down any more ideas you may have for me. Have a great day and love you, babies. Stay tuned for my birthday vlog. Get ready with me. It's good this year. You already know what's up. So love you.